This train shocked the world because of its speed, and it also changed traveling forever. This is India's first bullet train, and it will connect two major economic hubs, Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Everyone is excited about this amazing creation, so we took it upon ourselves to give you the latest updates. What are the current developments, and just how will this mega project become a game changer? Stick around until the end of this video to find out. But before we get into it, do give us a quick like and subscribe to the channel. If you're done with that, then what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. Why is everyone so excited about this project, and how does it change traveling as we know it? The Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train, based on Japan's Shinkansen technology, will significantly reduce travel time between the two cities. Currently, it takes about 8 hours by conventional train to complete this journey. With the bullet train, that time will be slashed to just 2 or 3 hours. The train will reach speeds of 320 kilometers per hour, an incredible leap forward from the current rail system. Imagine that! What makes this project even more exciting is its focus on sustainability. The bullet train will incorporate eco-friendly technologies, from solar-powered stations to wastewater treatment plants. The entire system is being designed with energy efficiency and environmental sustainability at its core. Stations will utilize natural light and ventilation, while construction equipment and materials are selected for their minimal environmental impact. Additionally, one of the most futuristic elements of the project is the underwater tunnel that will be part of the route. Spanning 21 kilometers, 13 miles, under the Arabian Sea, this tunnel is a first for India. It represents the country's ability to take on complex engineering challenges and execute them successfully. The tunnel will be reinforced with concrete and designed to withstand the pressures of the sea, ensuring safe and smooth travel through one of the most advanced rail systems in the world. According to the latest updates from the organization responsible for India's first high-speed railway, all 1,400 hectares of land needed for the project have been acquired, and all civil engineering contracts have been awarded in the states of Gujarat and Maharashtra, with only a small enclave in Dadra and Nagar Haveli remaining. The 8-kilometer line will connect Mumbai and Ahmedabad, utilizing Japanese Shinkansen bullet train technology, which is largely financed by Japanese investments. The corporation has reported that it has already laid down 120 kilometers of girders, completed 271 kilometers of pier casting, and cast the first reinforced concrete trackbed required for the Shinkansen system in the city of Surat, located roughly halfway between Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Additionally, the route's first mountain tunnel, which spans 350 meters near the village of Zeri in Gujarat, has been completed within just 10 months. Furthermore, the first steel bridge, measuring 70 meters, has also been completed in Surat. In total, 16 bridge projects are currently underway, with another 12 yet to commence. Another significant milestone was the initiation of work on India's first 7-kilometer undersea rail tunnel, part of a longer 21-kilometer tunnel between the Bandra Kurla complex and Shatabdi in Maharashtra. At present, driving between Mumbai and Ahmedabad takes approximately 9 hours without traffic, while the existing railway reduces that time to about 6 hours, with a top speed of nearly 200 kilometers per hour. In contrast, the trains on the new high-speed line will cut that journey time down to around 2 hours. They really didn't mess around when they called this project state-of-the-art. Passengers will be traveling on Shinkansen trains, the same models utilized in Japan's renowned rail network, with other components of the system, such as signaling, also being based on Japanese technology. In addition, Japan is actively involved in training Indian workers and providing a substantial portion of the funding for this initiative. Since 2017, Japan has extended loans totaling 650 billion yen, equivalent to over $4.5 billion. Establishing a high-speed rail network that facilitates the efficient movement of people and goods between India's key cities and regions represents a significant advancement for the country. However, constructing this new railway has been a complex endeavor, particularly given that one end of the line lies in a densely populated city with over 20 million residents. To address these challenges, approximately 92% of the track will be elevated on viaducts and bridges, which will allow the railway to span rivers and existing infrastructure while minimizing environmental impact. Additionally, This elevated design theoretically simplifies land acquisition for the railway. However, the construction has not been without difficulties. One of the most significant engineering challenges lies in Thane Creek, a large inlet located just east of Mumbai. This is the only area along the route where a substantial body of water interferes with construction plans. To circumvent this obstacle, the decision was made to create India's first undersea rail tunnel, which will be 7 kilometers long and part of a larger 21-kilometer underground section. This tunnel will consist of a single tube, wide enough to accommodate 2 trains traveling in opposite directions, requiring a diameter of 13 meters. Most of the tunnel will be excavated using tunnel boring machines, except for a 5-kilometer stretch that will be constructed using the new Austrian tunneling method. This method involves first excavating the tunnel through drilling and blasting, followed by the installation of ground supports and reinforcements, and finally, adding a concrete shell on top of a waterproof lining. This approach is particularly effective for shorter tunnel sections in variable ground conditions. As it stands, construction on the project is currently over 30% complete. But it is not expected to be finished until at least 2028. This timeline is a significant departure from the original goal of completing the project by 2022. In early 2022, the government organization responsible for the bullet train project successfully acquired nearly all of the land in Gujarat. However, in Maharashtra, only about 75% of the necessary land was secured, primarily due to legal disputes with landowners. As of now, the overall land acquisition for both regions has nearly reached 100%, although this milestone has taken significantly longer to achieve than initially planned. Another challenge for the project arose from a change in government in Maharashtra, which briefly brought an anti-bullet train coalition to power. Despite these setbacks, the Indian Railway remains optimistic about the future of the project and is confident that India's first bullet train will begin operations in Gujarat around June or July of 2026. The excitement surrounding India's bullet train is driven by more than just its futuristic technology and sleek design. It symbolizes India's progress toward becoming a global leader in infrastructure and innovation. For decades, India has been known for its sprawling and crowded railways, but this high-speed train project marks a shift toward world-class transportation systems. The bullet train is expected to elevate India's standing in the world, positioning it as a key player in the future of sustainable, high-tech transport. So, what are your thoughts about this bullet train? Are you excited to try it out? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed our content, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.